vlog. Whew. We're starting the vlog off in the truck. Same difference. I'm here with the girlies. Say hi, girlies.
Hi.
Where's Aaliyah? Hi. You know your feelings right now? Is that what it is? Let me fix this a little bit. There you go. We're in the car with the girlies. Somebody get their glasses today. They texted and said that she can pick up her glasses early. They did say 2 weeks, but they never take 2 weeks, which is great.
I can see early.
Yeah, so she's gonna get that. Oh, traffic. Yeah, so we're here on the road. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do that and have little miss seeing 2020 again. So we're gonna do that, and then we have this thing later on that Aaliyah's teacher actually sent to me. They're having this little Christmas thing at Zaxby's. It's like a kids' night or something.
Polar Express.
Yeah, the Polar Express thing. I'm not too sure about the detail. I have the flyer. She sent me the flyer. But yeah, I wanted to take the kids. It's a little chilled outside, but it's not that cold. So I was like, I can, take the kiddos. Layla, she's down for it. And she's down for it. So I might just take them for them to just, enjoy and have a little funsies and see how that goes. But yeah, before that, I'm gonna take Little Bear to go get her glasses. Yeah. Right here.
Alright, so she did say there was some evidence of a cataract, but I'm gonna pull up here to
Can you see?
Everything's so clear.
Everything's so
It
clear?
makes me feel blind. I am blind.
You can see it. She's like, I am blind. Yeah, because it was time for you to get a new one, so that's why it's gonna be better. Try to.
How do they feel? Are they like too tight, too loose?
Could you adjust them a little bit? I think she had spoke. Yeah. Try the next one to see.
You're welcome. You want a bag?
Put them up. There you go. Let me see. They look cute. I love them.
And adjust those too?
Yes, please. Both of them. Try those again. This girl said, I was blind. Could you put it on your face, please? Flushed on your face, yeah. Remember what he said. Don't take them off like this. Remember? Okay. These are my favorites.
Yeah, the clear ones, they're really, really nice.
Yeah. Let me see. Cute. You can see how many fingers?
Two.
Okay, see? Try those again. Push it up on your face, please. Yeah.
And do you want to wear the clear ones out?
Of course she does.
I'll put those back in the case.
You're right.
Are you going to wear them out? So?
There you go. I'm not blind.
No, you're not blind. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Thank you.
Wow.
You can see everything now?
Wow.
Go. You're acting brand new now?
I feel like I just entered the world.
Yeah, it looks cute.
A few moments later.
Who's loving their new glasses?
So cool.
My girl said, I can see. I was blind. I can see.
I was blind, but now I'm not.
You're blind, but now you're not. Wait, come on, go back, son. But how is it?
Way better.
I look lean a little bit. Or it's just me. I think it's my hand. Aaliyah. Let me see. Or just me. Maybe I might face lean. But yeah, come Aaliyah. So yeah, you're happy now with your glasses?
Yes.
Come on, baby. Give me a hand. Are you just walking away? Wanna say hi? Take your mask. All right. We're heading back to the house, but I literally want to go to the doll store real quick to grab what, Layla? Why you? I want to go to the doll store real quick so I can pick up. See, that's what I was running from. We're right next to the highway. I didn't take the highway because that's what was gonna happen. See all the traffic? Bumper to bumper traffic. So I'm taking the access road. I was supposed to turn there, but fast. See? And the police just pulled somebody over. Yeah, bumper to bumper traffic on the highway. Disseminated highway. Like us, they don't need to have a special lane. They already can turn their flashers on and just zoop 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 zoop. So I don't think they need a special lane.
Then I would just become police and go like, I can finally drive on this road.
No, just as how they if the ambulance is going and their lights are on, you cannot tail them. You can get a ticket for that. Hold on, but I'll see y'all in the next clip. So we're back home with this guy. Got a little Superman curl. Somebody's happy with their glasses. Did you guys comment that one? Because I think that was the first one she tried. The first one she tried, and she literally fell in love with it. She fell in love with the glass. Her reaction the first time she put on the glass. I was blind, but I can see now. I can see.
I can see the
Right, Papa? You okay?
He's like, Mama,
Oh my goodness. No, you don't. Zane, come on, sit. Where y'all go?
Wait, but is it possible for a baby to wear glasses?
Yeah.
It is?
Papa. Papa. Somebody's not feeling it right now. But yeah, we're home. I'm chilling with this guy. And he's... Oh, you look like you're constipated, so.
Cookie literally just flipped over her bed.
All right. Zane, you wanna go? What time? 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Pound the dot. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. All right. Me soon on the next clip. In the car. Yes, over there.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we're here. The girls are decorating their cookies. I'll show you them in a second. They get to decorate a cup. They get to decorate cookies. You want to say hi to the peoples? I don't know if y'all can hear me. Look. Say hey. Say howdy. Let me see. What's that, a tree? What is it, a Christmas tree? Alright, buddy. Here we go. Alright, what do you want to do? Alright. You want to draw a turtle?
Yes, turtles.
Hey guys, so we're back home. I just came back to close out the vlog. We came back, we ate. Oh, they wanted to show you their cups. Who's gonna wanna go first? So this is Layla's cup.
Ornament.
She drew ornaments on her ornaments on her cup. Let me see yours, Aaliyah. Don't do that. Let me see it. What is? Show it to me. What did you do? Oh, so she drew Christmas trees and what? What's that?
Train.
And a train. And I see the sun and what else?
No,
That's not. No, the orange thing right there. That's the sun. And a mountain and a lake. She was going. Look, this is the next Picasso right here. She said she not liking no more. But yeah, I'm tired. Zany puts on his baba bottle before he goes down. Yeah, I'm just gonna say goodnight here so I can go get him ready, get them ready. Well, they can get themselves ready. All right, girls, go. Go, girls. Go hit the showers. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get into it.
Get into it, yo.
All right, so you guys go take showers, get ready for bed, pack your bags, all that good stuff. And then I'm going to get Mr. Zany Pool ready for bed also. So hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I look like a crazy person, but I will see y'all. What's so funny? In tomorrow's vlog. Bye.